everyone, myself SKCN Vitesh Gupta from grade FIJC Science. Today I am going to introduce a very interesting concept, that is lens. In this video we will discuss about what is lens, how lenses are formed, types of lens and the application of lens in our daily life. Let's start with the first point, that is what is lens. Lenses are basically a magnifying glass with curved sides. A lens is a piece of transparent glass which concentrates or disperses light rays by its refraction property. Due to its magnifying property, lenses are used in telescopes, binoculars, camera, microscope and other magnifying devices. Magnification of lens is the relation between the size of image formed and the size of object. Lens can also be used in groups in order to avoid blurriness or distortion caused to image formed by lens. Come to our next point, that is how lenses are formed. Spherical lenses are the lenses formed by bonding two spherical transparent surfaces together, and lenses are made from materials such as plastic or glass and are grounded or molded to a desired shape. Classification of lens. Lenses are classified in two types, that is concave lens and convex lens. As you can see in this chart, there are different structure of lens in concave lens and convex lens too. Different lenses have different application based on their structure and property. Let's start with concave lens. A concave lens is a lens with at least one side curved inwards, and a concave lens with both sides curved inward is known as biconcave lens. They have ability to diverge a parallel beam of light. That's why this lens also known as a diverging lens too. For a concave lens, the center of a lens is thinner than its edges. A concave lens always produces a smaller image for viewer, and it always produces a virtual image. So let's talk about its uses. This lens is used in binoculars, flashlight, eyeglass, telescope and many other things. This lens also used to correct nearsightedness. Nearsightedness is a condition in which the close object appears clearly but far ones don't. Our last point, that is convex lens. A convex lens is a lens with at least one side curved outwards, and a convex lens with both sides curved outward is known as biconvex lens. They have ability to converge a parallel beam of light. That's why this lens is also known as converging lens too. For a convex lens, the center of lens is thicker than its edges. It always produces a real and large image of object. The lens found in human eye is a prime example of convex lens, and the convex lens is used in magnifying glass, camera, microscope, etc. This lens is also used to correct farsightedness. Farsightedness is a condition in which far objects appear clearly but near objects don't. So here I have an magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is a convex lens used to make an object appear much larger than it actually is. I will show you this by an example of newspaper and a magnifying glass. Here I have taken a newspaper and you can see the letters are written in small size. Now if we take a magnifying glass, the letters can be appeared in large size and the reader can read the newspaper very easily. If you dislodge this glass, the letters were viewed in very small size. Here you have seen how a convex lens is used to magnifying the letters. I hope you understand the experiment. Here we have complete a small basic concepts of lens. I hope you all have enjoyed the video and your concepts got clear. Thank you.